In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord not detecting mic in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So I have Discord right here. If your microphone's not being detected whenever you're in a call or anything like that, all you want to go ahead and do is firstly, make sure you're not on mute because it could just be that, and then go over to user settings. Once you're here, go over to voice and video, and you just want to go ahead to your microphone, which is going to be your input, right? And then just make sure the correct mic is toggled on. Make sure your mic volume is toggled, and you're going to know it's working because you can do a mic test right here, and it's going to show your mic and everything like that. And your speaker volume is what you're going to be hearing. So, that's your output volume. So you want to have your mic. If it's not detecting it though, what you want to go ahead and do is right click on your volume icon on the bottom right, then go over to sound settings. Again, make sure your input right here is the exact mic you need it to be. Also make sure the volume is high as well. You can also go over to more sound settings, then go over to recording, find your microphone and make sure it's the default device as well. After you do those things, you should be good to go and you should find it here. And once you find it, just click your mic and then that's it. It'll be saved. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.